Hello friends, welcome to Coding Shiksha. So today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to generate PDF in React application using jsPDF library. So this is the application. This contains a button which is generate PDF. So if I hit this button, so a PDF file will be generated. You can see this file. So in this easy way you can generate PDF. So this is the code here. Let me just write it from scratch. First of all, we will be importing React. So this is app.js file, so just import pure component, and after that we will be importing the jsPDF library. So just import it. So for that you need to be running a command. Let me just show you the command. So first of all, import the jsPDF. So you just have to execute this command, that is npm install JSPDF in your this will install this JSPDF dependency in your node modules folder. Then after that you can just import it by this line, and then you need to make it component. So export default class. This is a simple way in order to just make a component in React. Extends. So this will extend a pure component, set of curly brackets. So inside this, the first thing that we need to initialize the constructor. So we will write here constructor. This will take the props. So inside this we will be calling first of all the superclass with passing the props. Secondly, we will be setting the state with this empty object. So now we will be making our JSPDF generator function, but before that we will be making the render function of the component. So this is a render function, so just call render function. So inside this we can just return anything. So in the return, let's suppose I return out a div which says hello world. So if I reload the page, you can see that it is returning hello world. So now we can just have a button which will and bind a on click listener. So when we click this button, we need to execute this function, that is JSPDF generator. So this function I will create. So the label of the button, let me just give generate PDF. So now we need to define this function. So JSPDF generator function, just write here JSPDF generator. So this will be arrow function. So you can see that the button is generated here. So you can see that this is arrow function. So first of all, we need to make a new document object. So new document in JSPDF. So I will make a new doc variable, initialize it to JSPDF. This takes two arguments. First is the p and second is the point. So this is just generally, in order to initialize JSPDF, you need to pass these two arguments, and we can just add some text to our PDF document. So we can just write doc.text. This is a method in JSPDF in order to write text, and this is xy position, and this is some text that you want to write. So I will write here, this is default text. And apart from that, you can also set the font. Let me just drag down, set the font of the PDF document. So I can just write here doc.setFont. You can see that this is a method. So I can just pass a font here, Courier. After that I can just also set the font type, doc.set font type. This is a method. So inside this I can just pass normal. You can also pass bold, italic, anything you want. And then I can just write some more text with this font type. So 2030, I can just write here, this is text with the Courier font. And now we can just save our document after making these changes. So save the PDF document so that when we hit the button, the PDF file will be downloaded. So for this we have the doc.save method. So let me make this expects argument, so whichever name that you want for your PDF file. So I will name it as generated.pdf. That's it guys. So now the application is complete. Now if I reload the application and click this generate PDF, you will see that a generate PDF file is generated, and inside this you can see that the content is there. This is default text, and this is text with Courier font. You can always change this. Let me change this to bold here and reload the application. Click generate PDF. You can see that a new file generated. If I see that, you can see that the text font type has been changed from normal to bold. So in this easy way you can just generate any kind of PDF document in React application with the help of jsPDF library. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button which is there below the video, and also hit that red subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon if you want more videos like this. And I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.